Buenas noches, everyone. I would like to share with all of you my experience with Albert. I realized I was gay when I was 11 years old, but I didn't have to come out until I was 16, when my older sister heard me talking on the phone with another guy. She confronted me about the conversation and asked me if I was gay. And I didn't have any other option but to agree. I have been living in the United States for a very short time, so I didn't have friends nor gay people who I could talk to. At school, it was hard for me to meet people because I didn't speak English and I was afraid to come out. Since I didn't have friends, I would spend my time studying, and that's why I got some awards for my achievement at school. But I was lonely and very depressed. At the beginning of last year, I decided to go see a counselor at school and talk to her to get some help. After coming out to my counselor, she told me about a group for lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender youth that I could possibly go to meet other youth like me and make some friends. So in early April, I got to meet Irene and Rodrigo, who went to visit me at school and talk to me about the groups at Outlet. I was happy to know that there was something for me and that I would probably make some friends and not feel lonely again. 2 weeks after I met Irene and Rodrigo, I decided to make a trip from my home in Palo Alto to go to the Monday night group at Outlet. Before I got there, I was very nervous, but also very excited to finally meet other queer youth. When I got to the group, I saw a bunch of smiling faces, all very welcoming, but I didn't see anybody who would look like me. They were all white, they spoke English clearly, fluently, and very confidentially, and I didn't. So I felt like I didn't fit in. It was sad because I really wanted to be part of the group, but I felt out of place, so I didn't come back for the upcoming months. I remained on Outlets in August, and one day, I read in the weekly announcements that Eileen sent out that there was going to be a group in Spanish for young men called De Ambiente. I started coming to De Ambiente since the first meeting and for the first 2 months. I was the only one attending, and I didn't care because I had the hope that one day we will become a big group. De Ambiente has now a strong group of young Latinos who meet twice a month on Friday nights to talk about HIV prevention, sexual health, family, friends. We watch movies and we laugh a lot. De Ambiente is the place where I can express myself openly. It has given me the confidence I didn't have before, and it has allowed me to meet other Latino guys who I can relate to, who speak the same language, who look like me, and who have had similar experiences as immigrants in this country like me. Also through De Ambiente, not only have I learned about HIV and STD prevention, but I have also learned about other important things such as political asylum. In my case, I basically came to this country because I had been persecuted and attacked at the age of 14 for being gay, and I was afraid for my life. Here in the United States, I was undocumented for a while until I learned through De Ambiente that I was eligible to apply for political asylum. I did it and my application was accepted, so now I can go to college and continue my education to pursue my dream Being an undocumented immigrant, person of color, and gay hasn't been that easy. But luckily, I have been able to find a place where I can feel welcome, be who I am, but most of all, to finally feel free. Thank you for your attention, and please enjoy the rest.